Boom! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt.
What's up, Hank?
Sunshine State RVs. What's
Yes,
up?
sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Beautiful day today.
Yes.
It's warmed up 20 degrees in the last hour, I feel.
I know. We're running around making videos today.
We
I
are.
figure we'll try to do for us a quick video.
Hey,
Yes.
let's do it.
So you've got a van here.
It's hard to do a quick video on such an awesome van, though.
I know.
It's really hard.
Quick for us is relative.
Yes, yes.
It is relative. So this is from Midwest Automotive Design.
This is.
Yes.
They call it MAD. The
I love
MAD
the color.
group.
Yes.
They have a whole Facebook group called the MAD group.
Yeah, they are all mad.
You know, when I was growing up, they had a MAD group, Mothers Against Drunk Drivers.
I remember all of those.
There was one like Drunk Drivers Against Mad Mothers. And
There's a lot.
there's a lot of those groups. Well, this is
Yeah.
Midwest Automotive Designs. They've been making vans and limos and luxury vans for the last 20-something years. They've made over 10,000 vans.
Wow.
Insane.
Wow.
Insane. They are the industry leader in limos, in luxury, business class, a lot of those things. They got into Class Bs in the last 10, 15 years, and man, they make one of the most luxurious Class B vans on the market.
Now, so Heritage is kind of, so what's the top line? The Patriot?
So it's just a different flow. Yeah, Patriot, then Heritage, and then, I mean, those are the two they make.
Right.
The Heritage is priced a little better than the Patriot.
Yeah.
But in my mind, there's some things about the Heritage I like better than the Patriot.
Yeah.
But the Patriot comes standard with more things. With the Heritage, you have to add to it, and then it'll kind of, you can get it to the level of a Patriot.
Yeah, so a little bit more flexibility.
It is.
Pretty much the same on the outside, I think, right?
Yeah,
But,
I mean, same fully
Yeah.
contacted Mercedes Sprinter, 24 feet 6 inches, chrome wheels. You got your running boards, you got your power awning. I love this color. This is called silver gray.
very nice.
I mean, it is a really, really unique. It's not as light as silver, but not as dark as blue or gray. It's like you see the gray one over there.
Yeah.
That's
it's
a
kind of
selenite.
like an avalanche gray for a Sprinter, for Mercedes.
It is like avalanche gray, just like it.
Mm-hmm.
So what's great is this is the all-wheel drive. It does have the towing package. Right now the bed is down, so you can really see all the way through it.
Okay, so one of the differences here is the soft gear that you find here, which I like. You know, even in this, like typically you would have the cabinetry here, so I like this.
Yeah, it's nice. So going all the way through is the storage from the front to the back.
Yeah.
You do have some storage underneath here as well, even with the bed down.
Yeah. There you go.
So
If you guys
pass
wanna
through
take a
storage.
look
You
at
have
this.
the Alpine subwoofer in this one too. This one has a brand new color. On the inside, it's called a teak wood with a new countertop. This milkweed is their most popular color. It does have the brown stitching, as you can see. So the stitching typically matches the cabinetry.
Yeah,
of the Heritage.
I like it. I have not seen it super close up.
Yeah.
I think I did see this at the show, but you know.
This was in Tampa. This was our best-selling color in Tampa.
Oh, it was,
People
okay.
absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. Yeah.
Very nice.
And then you have the smart plug. This is a hybrid. So this has the propane generator. It also has 540 amp hours lithium batteries with a 3,000 watt inverter, solar panels, all that. So remember, we've done those videos where it shows you can run this thing for days between the lithium, then the generator. The generator runs it and charges the lithium, then lithium again, then generator, then turn the engine on. Between that little cycle there, you can run for days and save tens of thousands of dollars off of a lithium system.
So just clarification, diesel, obviously this is all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
But the generator is running off of propane.
Generator runs off propane.
Right.
And the lithium batteries are Battleborn Lithionics lithium batteries.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
It still has the power macerator reel, just like the Patriot does.
Yeah.
You know, full. I mean, like everything that they do. You know, Midwest isn't gonna. And that was one of my things when we were talking to Ron about this. I was like, Ron, you can't sacrifice the things that make you who you are to offer something at a better price. And obviously Ron agreed with me. And so they didn't sacrifice a lot. They just took a few some body panelings off the side, a few things around the windows, a few other small things, but you can add as much back on as you want. So the all-wheel drive gives you the extra clearance. You do have the 4-camera security system there, which is nice.
That's nice. I like having, and those are on all the time.
Yep. So one side, front, rear, and other side there. You have the fully contented chassis, like I said, the LED headlights.
Yeah. Still very beautiful. One of the reasons, however you want to look at it, that people want a Sprinter van is because it is beautiful.
Because it is beautiful. So if you think the outside's beautiful, wait till you see the inside, Hank.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. So and I could immediately see there's an extra seat right here.
Yeah, this is an MD3. So Jackie, who's the head of their MAD group, Midwest Automotive Design, their Facebook group, she has 2 daughters. And she's like, you know, Nick, when I travel with my 2 daughters, I don't want a 4th seat because I want a big fridge. Yeah. I'd really just rather have the driver's seat and 2 extra seats. Yeah. So Ron started brainstorming and said, hey, why don't we do the MD3 and that'll be perfect for you. So did an MD3 and made it specifically for Jackie. This should be called the Jackie van, is what it should be called.
The Jackie edition?
The Jackie edition.
Yeah. All right, I'll go in after you. It's called the same brown piping that you were discussing.
It's called an MD3. Yeah, right so there. Check out this teak wood. How nice is this?
Yeah.
I mean, you have nice big cabinet there. So this is great because the MD4, you would lose the big fridge.
I'm sorry, just hit that volume down a little bit.
Oh, I can't even hear it. You must have like laser ears. So the MD4, you would lose the big fridge.
Oh, okay.
But because it's an MD3,
you've got the room instead of another seat over here. Yeah,
MD2,
you got a nice cabinetry.
The MD2, this would just come out a little farther.
Oh, okay.
You wouldn't have the seat here. All this would be the same, but this would come out a little
Interestingly, on here, it looks like they've got, what, are they heated, vibrating, all that good stuff?
Ducted. Oh, this, yeah. So this is an option that comes on the Heritage. Massaging seats, heated seats, everything there.
Yeah, cool.
Convection microwave, nice big microwave, nice big fridge. I already opened that. Cool. Nice big fridge and freezer.
Yeah, that's cool. Big cabinet here. I just want to show everyone up front here. These are the cameras that we're talking about that are always on.
So, you know,
helping you with your drive as well as your digital rear view.
Something else that's pretty unique about Midwest is that they don't just upgrade the leather seats. They also upgrade the ceiling here, which is really nice. And so on the Heritage, they still give you the ceiling. Some of the stuff that you're not going to get on a Heritage that the Patriot will have is like the pillars there, the door panels, the pillars there. All of this will have the same leather. Yeah. But on the Heritage, those are some of the things they cut out to give you a little savings.
Some more storage up here.
Yeah, storage. Alpine, remember we talked about the Alpine subwoofer earlier?
Yeah.
You have your Alpine smaller speakers there. I love this countertop.
This is nice.
It's like nice, thick, rounded countertop. Nice, big rectangle sink with a very residential looking and feeling.
I like the Euro style of this too. Like you've got some actual radiuses on the cabinetry.
You know what's funny? I was in Europe last week. We love Euro style stuff, right?
Right.
You know what they like over there?
American
stuff. Every song, every restaurant I walk to, they're playing English, American music. Every time I turn TV on, American commercials. When I'm talking, be like, "You're from America? Oh my God!" Here in America,
the grass is always greener.
Here in America, we're like, "Oh, this is European. We love it." It's so funny.
Did you feel like James Bond over there? You know, James Bond has the British accent.
So here's something funny. We went to Lake Como and Switzerland. So me and my wife, every year for our anniversary, we travel somewhere.
Congratulations.
And we were going around Lake Como, and I remember there was a scene from James Bond where he was gambling with the guy who was bleeding out of his eye.
Right.
From Lake Como. And so me and my wife went back to the hotel and we watched that James Bond movie. And in the hotel room while we're in Italy, we're watching James Bond our hotel room.
Yeah, Lola would love it.
What was that? Die Another Day, I think? I think it was Die Another Day.
Probably, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah, one of those.
So we're in Lake Como watching James Bond be in Lake Como.
Yeah. Cool.
We did a cooking class and boat tours. And
did you get an Aston Martin, like rent an Aston Martin and drive around like James Bond?
No, I tried. They denied me because they said, "You're friends with that guy, Hank? Forget that. No chance of we letting you rent an Aston Martin." So something else that is cool, like you did mention, these rounded cabinets without any
handles
or buttons or hardware. Totally seamless. This is a different look. So this is not the Patriot look. This is the Heritage look. So they got the LED lights up here, which are nice. They have the Gree air conditioner. So they have the fantastic finish. So they're getting the Patriot's going to give you a nice wood cover over it.
Right.
This is not. So is that a big deal to you or not? Who knows? Same thing here. You know, you have the black hardware, which I really like. Nice big soft closing drawers there.
Yeah.
And there again, this is all
also
rounded.
Radius. Looks really nice.
Radius here. Yeah. Double induction stove, which is the same. Nice big bathroom with the bamboo floor. So this is the exact same bathroom, same size and everything as the Patriots. Just on the Heritage.
Nice
side
sink.
bath, sink. You got this thing here, kind of comes up there, so you can shower just like that.
And they've got a combo vent light here.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, and another light, which is nice. Yeah, full size toilet.
So one, you have both.
Yeah.
So pretty cool. I know when my wife does her makeup, she has one of those mirrors with the halo light around it. She has all that light on there.
Yeah. You know, it's necessary.
Necessary.
Yeah, very necessary.
That's what I keep hearing.
Especially when you're in Italy.
Nice wardrobe closet there.
Yeah. So, and you've got some systems. I guess they still have like Apple TV and stuff.
Apple TV, Starlink, all that. So nice rounded things there. So this is what passes. Oh, yeah, here's the Starlink right here.
So this goes through.
So Starlink is installed.
Yep.
Let me turn the flashlight on.
Oh, we got light. You can see. Yeah. Yeah. So that comes all the way through from when we're outside. It goes all
the way through there.
Yep. Cool.
Very nice. You have a smart TV here, so the smart TV will hook to the Starlink, so that way you can watch TV from YouTube, Netflix, whatever you want. You have your Bluetooth Alpine stereo there, and this is your Agua Hot instant hot water heater and everything else. So right now this bed is flat, and this is the couch bed. So you know you have lots of room here. You can just easily drop your feet and stand up. You do have a lagoon table there, but if you wanted to incline the couch, I can't get on it and do it. You just press a button here, and it turns back into a couch instead of a bed.
Yeah.
And I love how this is just super comfortable.
And I get these questions all the time. Do the windows open? Yes, they do. Looks like big windows that open here. Yep.
Big window.
Very nice.
And there's also a screen there.
Yep.
So
same on the other side, but
same on the other side.
That one's got the.
So the Patriot has the option of
blackout.
having these power, where the Heritage, you do that.
Yeah.
You know, you have 3 Fireflies. You have one here, one in the middle, and one all the way in the front, which is great.
Yep.
This, like I said, does have the lithium, the 540 amp hours of lithium. I like the LED lights on the floor also. I think that's a nice touch, especially at nighttime. If you just want to have those on and nothing else, when you get up, you can kind of.
Yeah.
I'm not at the age that I use the bathroom in the middle of the night yet, Hank.
Oh no.
One day I will be. When I am, I'm gonna
thankfully me neither. But yeah, you don't want to rush into that. Like you said, there is another control up here. It is right down here. There you go.
There's the third one.
Yeah.
Hey, how about we drive this thing?
Yeah, let's do it.
You want to drive it?
You
want me to?
You drive.
I'll drive.
I'll do the controlling. I will press the button here.
Oh, you don't want to give up. You don't want. Oh, check this out. One more thing before we leave.
Yep.
So right here is a desk.
Cool.
So this swivels around to have a little desk right here. How sweet is that?
That's always convenient. Let me see. I'm gonna take all the lights off from back here for you.
Oh, we can do it right here.
Oh, I already did it.
Well, there we go.
There we go.
This is pretty awesome.
This out of the way.
Man, what a good surprise this is.
Yeah. And you guys are seeing a bunch of other vans out the window. I think you should take this opportunity to remind people that we are going to be at Ocala.
We are going to be at the Ocala RV show. Midwest will be there. We will have all of the Midwest collection there with Ford, Mercedes, Heritage, Patriot, all-wheel drive, MD2s, MD3s, MD4s. We're going to have Ron, the Extraordinaire, there. Ron's birthday was yesterday. Did you know that?
I know. I did know that. Yeah. Happy birthday to Ron.
Happy birthday to Ron.
Yeah.
This van.
He's probably about 25 now.
Something like that. He has no gray hair. Oh, his wife is pregnant with their 3rd kid, which is pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh, we shouldn't say 25. He's probably like 35, maybe.
Probably like 35.
He's on the 3rd kid. I think.
So look at this.
Give him some credit.
So these cameras are on the whole time. One's the left side, one's the right side, one's the
rear.
The rear, and one's the front.
Yeah.
Isn't that neat?
That's nice.
Yeah.
I do like that. How does it feel driving?
And then that camera's on all the time as well, and that's the rear view camera.
Yeah, the more you can see, the better.
The more you know.
How does it feel driving? I don't know if this has any kind of special suspension on it.
No, so they upgrade the suspension to like a Sumo Springs, but they don't offer from the factory any upgrade suspension. But we've done a lot of different upgrade suspensions on these things.
Yeah. Depending on what you plan on doing with this.
I do like this new chassis because it does have the adaptive cruise. It has this new steering wheel, which is like a nice modern look.
Yeah.
It has the nice big 10-inch screen.
Yeah. I think you could always tell the new chassis because all the camera stuff is down here instead of up here.
Top. Yes.
Yeah. So.
And I like the digital rear view mirror. You know, I don't use it all the time, but when when you have an RV behind you and you can't see anything anyways, you might as well have it.
Yeah.
So you can see
or if you're
towing
or what have you, you know, it's nice.
And you know, something I noticed when you're driving a high quality RV, you never hear creaks, you never hear rattles, you never hear stuff like you don't know you're driving an RV. Some RVs you get in and drive them, they're so stinking loud that you can never do a video or talk on the phone while you're driving it.
Right. Yeah.
Let alone have a conversation. But this thing here, I feel like I'm driving my car.
I mean, I think that's part of the van experience, right?
Yes.
That's why you're getting a van. You want it to be like a car and also be like a hotel room, a nice one.
Yes.
Because I hate hotel rooms at this point.
Well, you're spoiled. You got such a comfortable van.
Yeah.
And
anytime I have to go in a hotel room now, I'm always mad. You know, so.
Unless it's a Ritz-Carlton.
Yeah, and you know, there's nice places for sure, you know. And if you're on the road for a while, if you're on the road for a couple of weeks.
A nice 10-minute hot shower.
Yeah, it's a luxury.
That is a luxury.
You know, it's something that you appreciate, but for sure. Oh, look at that, we're right here.
We are here, so that was pretty quick.
Yeah.
We didn't get to experience the full drive. Let's see if we got room to pull. We do. Lots of people. I can't wait for the new dealership to be open, Hank.
I'm telling you.
Soon. So we got Ocala coming up March 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Right after Ocala, we should be opening up the new dealership pretty quickly after that.
Yeah.
So another month or so after that, the new dealership
Get
will
ready
be
for the party. We'll invite everyone.
We will. I heard Elvis might be making an appearance from the dead.
Oh, really? Really? Nice.
Prince,
nice.
Jimi Hendrix.
Okay.
We're getting the whole lineup.
Cool.
Puff Daddy. No, he's not Dad. Biggie.
Yeah. Yeah.
Biggie.
No Diddy in here.
Biggie, Tupac. That's right.
You definitely need a new dealership, man, because this is like an airport. I don't even know where you're parking right now.
I don't either.
You going back here? I don't know
what I'm doing. I'm just parking right. This is where I usually park. So
yeah, okay.
That's where I'm parking
that makes
right
sense.
now.
All right, so we'll end it right here.
Yeah. So big fan of Midwest. They have a lot to offer between the Ford 170 Standard, 170 Extended, 144, which is 19 feet. The Ford chassis is 22 feet.
Yep.
So we got 19, 22, 22, and 24. 4 different chassis they build.
Yeah, it's nice to see a lot of those Fords getting out there now. The Ford Patriot. Yeah, it's very nice build. All right.
So yeah, so this is the Heritage. If it's
if you want to find out more info, we kept it under 20 minutes. Look at that.
Pretty
awesome.
Yeah, you're hungry. That's why.
Yes. I'm gonna remind you though. You want to support Vanasaur. We got some nice T-shirts.
It has a green dog on it. Who buys a shirt with a green dog?
Nick, you buy one of these, Nick will buy you a shirt, right, Nick?
A green dog shirt.
Yes, he will. There you go. There you go. So if they have any questions, where are they going?
SunshineStateOfEase.com.
All right. We'll see you guys. We're out. Peace.